Today, we're going to make a super cute Christmas bow hair clip in just a few minutes. We will be using green ribbon. We will fold the ribbon to mark our middle point. Insert the needle into the center. Now grab the other ribbon, and we will follow the same process. Now we will turn these ribbons into a beautiful bow. And wrap the thread around to secure the shape. A piece of ribbon for our centerpiece. We have a rhinestone mesh here, and we'll cut a single strip from it. And we've got some fluffy pom-poms to add. The final step is to secure the hair clip. And it's finished! I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like this video, share your thoughts in the comments, and check out my other tutorials for more ideas. See you next time!